Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy, and also you can use this same strategy to trade the volatility index market. All right, so before I show you guys how the strategy works or say anything about the strategy, I want to quickly remind you guys about my powerful boom and crash strategy which I'm giving out. It's a strategy that you can use to take as little as a $5 account. You can use it to grow as little as a $5 account, right? You can take it from a small account to a big account in no time, all right? If you follow everything I'll be showing you in the video, all right, which I'll be using to explain the strategy, all right? So if you need the strategy, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure you message me, and I will be giving you the strategy, all right, and what to do before you get the strategy. All right, so that is that about that. All right, so as you can see here on the screen, when you see something like this, you are going to be thinking that this guy is not using a real account or is a demo account and all that crap, all right? But if you really know what you are doing, if you can remove fear in the market, you are going to be making a lot of money. There are some patterns in the market that if you see it, you are going to be very sure that yes, this thing is going to go my way, right? And if you have the mind, if you can remove fear, you are going to make a lot of money with those kind of opportunities when they present themselves. So I saw this, I know that definitely price is going to go up. That's why I opened this thing, all right? That is by the way, I'm not here to talk about that today, all right? So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys a powerful strategy just like I've said earlier. Okay, so make sure you stick to the video till the end. There are a lot of information I'm going to be sharing and I don't want you to miss out, okay? All right, before I start explaining how this particular strategy works, I'm going to first of all share the setup and then the explanation will come later. You click on this F icon. All right, you search for moving average, which is our first indicator here. You can see the period is 21, shift is 0, method is linear weighted, apply to its close. All right, the level, leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. The style, you make it color yellow, 3 pixel, and you click on done. That is the setting for the moving average. The next indicator we have here is the relative strength index. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this plus icon, then you search for relative strength index. So these are the properties for it. The period is 1, apply to its close. Level we have 85 and 15, color red, 3 pixel, you click on done. All right, time frame, all time frame. The style, you make it the color of your background, you use 1 pixel. After that, you click on done, and you're gonna have these levels being set up on your chart. The next indicator we have here is the MACD. You are going to be clicking on this plus icon and then you search for your MACD. The fast EMA is 15, slow EMA is 29, MACD SMA is 12. They apply to its close. Level we have, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. Now the main, you make it color green, signal color red, and 3 pixel for the both of them. All right, after that you click on done. The last indicator we have here is moving average. You click on this plus icon again and then search for your moving average. The period is 1, shift is 0, method is linear weighted, apply to its previous indicators data, time frame, all time frame, style, make it color yellow, and 3 pixel. After that you click on done. You are going to have a screen like this, all right, once you have done everything correctly. All right, so now the next thing is how to trade with the strategy. the first thing that is that you want to check the indicator window here. So once you see that price has the yellow indicator here has gotten to the 85 level here, all right, so once you see that it's touching, you are going to wait for price to cross below this yellow line here on the main chart. All right, so once price cross below this yellow line, you check your indicator. You want to see that this yellow line also cross below the red line on the indicator window. All right, so once you have seen that the crossing is confirmed on the indicator level, you go in for your sell. All right, so as you can see here, the market sell to the downside. All right, so your exit point is going to be when this yellow line gets to the 15 level here. All right, so once it gets to the 15 level, you exit the market. Right now, that was the sell example. Now look at the buy example of it. So you can see once price get to this level, this yellow line get to the 15 level, you wait for price to cross above the yellow line on the main chart. All right, so once it cross above on the main chart, you go in, you wait for this, the indicator confirmation of it. All right, so you wait for this yellow line here to cross above the red one. So once it cross above the red one, you go in for your buy entry. All right, it's as simple as that. That's how basically the strategy works. Okay, this is a strategy that works on boom and crash, and you can also use it on volatility indices. Okay, volatility 75 step index and all that. Okay, you can use it on volatility also. So with these two examples, what I want you guys to do is to make sure you backtest the strategy. Right, so make sure you, after setting it up, you backtest it. Once you see that it's working for you, that is when you can decide to put in your hard-earned money and trade with the strategy. Okay, so don't take my words for it. Make sure you backtest it for yourself. Okay, so that's pretty much everything I have for you guys in today's video. All right, so if you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, do make sure you subscribe. All right, give the video a like if you know you are getting value from it. All right, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post any strategy again, all right, immediately I post it, you are going to get the notification. All right, so that's it guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.